Hello everyone, in this video I am going to teach you how to write equations for K-map. So this is the example one I have considered. So this is 3 variable K-map. So here we are having two ones. So two ones which are adjacent to each other. So we can make this as a pair. So this is the group 1 considered as pair. So to write equation, so first of all we need to check in which rows and columns this group 1 is covering. So these are rows, these are columns. So these are the rows R0, R1, and these are the columns C0, C1, C2, C3. So this group 1 is covering R1. It was covering R1 and it was covering C0 and C1. So whenever it was covering only one row and it was having only one value here, so we can directly take it. Whenever it was covering two columns or two rows, so we have to check the common term in both the rows or in both the columns. For example, here R1 means here we are having A. In place of A we are having 1. If you are having 1 means we can write A. If you are having 0 means A bar. So here we are having in place of A we are having 1. So we write as A. And here it was covering two columns. So in place of B, C, it was covering column 0, C0. That means 0, 0 and C1, 0 and 1. So in which the common term we have to take. So 0 is the common term. So 0 in place B. So we will write this as B bar. So the equation is A B bar. So the equation for this example one is A B bar. So here this is example 2. So here we are having all four ones. So adjacent to each other. So we can make this as a group and we call this as the quad. So quad means 4. So we are having 4 ones, so it forms as a quad group. So we need to check how many rows and how many columns it was covering. It was covering here one row, R0 row, and here it was covering all columns. It was covering all columns. So whenever it was covering all columns or all rows, we have to leave that side and we have to take another side. So here it was covering only R0, so we have to write only this equation. So here column side it was covering all the columns, so we won't take this column side. So that BC side we won't take, we take only for A side. So for this equation is in place of A we are having 0. That means A bar. So the equation is A bar. So here example 3. Here we are having ones. In corners can also make groups, right? So this and this will give us a pair. So corner ones makes the pair. So won't form single groups. It was a pair. So this group was covering this row, R0 row, and it is covering C0 and C3 row. So R0 it was covering only one row. We have to take this. So in place of A we are having 0 means A bar, and here column C0 and C3. In place of BC, C0 0 0, C3 1 0. So it was having common term C. That means 0 0 means C bar we have to take. So A bar and C bar. The final equation is A bar C bar. So here is 4 variable K-map. So here we are having all ones in corners. So this one, this one, this one, this one. It makes the quad. So we have to check in which rows and columns where the group was covering. So it was covering R0, R3, and here C0, C3. So R0, R3. Whenever it was covering two rows or two columns, we have to take the common term. So at AB side, it was covering R0 and R3. So R0's side value is 0, 0 and R3's value is 1, 0. The common term is 0. In B's place, we are having 0. That means B bar for row side. For column side, for column side CD. So we are covering C0 and C3. So the group was covering C0 and C3. So C0 means 0 0. C3 means 1 0. The common term is 0 0. In place of D we are having 0 means D bar. So the final equation is B bar D bar is the final equation. So another example. Here it is 2 variable K-map. Here we are having only single group. So R0 and C1. It was covering 1 row and 1 column. So here we can write A bar B is the